Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Mock, just going to give you a quick rundown of the law of cosines. Using this example here, we've got ourselves a triangle. We're given an angle of 18 degrees, lengths 14 meters, 17 meters, and we're looking for side x. And notice how side x is opposite of 18 degrees. So we're going to use this as our c, because we know the 18 degrees, so that's going to be our cosine c. So A can be 14 or 17, B can be 14 or 17, and we're just going to go ahead and use the law of cosine. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. And like I said, we're going to use C, 18 is the cosine of C. X, being the opposite of it, becomes the C squared here, so X squared. And then 14 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 14 times 17 times the cosine of 18. From there, I'd kind of take pieces and do them one at a time. So 14 squared is going to be 196. 17 squared is 289. 2 times 14 times 17 is 476. And then we leave the cosine of 18. I'm kind of saving this part, all right, because I don't want to round just yet. So the next step is do the 196 plus the 289. Gives me that 485. And then in my calculator, I figure out a way to do 485 minus 476 times the cosine of 18. And when you do that correctly in the calculator, you should get 32.2970 blah 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 blah. Don't round that yet, okay? Right away you should try to figure out how you can do the square root of that, all right, because we're solving for x. And right now we have x squared, so the square root of x squared is x. So you do that square root of the 32.2970 blah 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 blah, and you should get approximately x equaling to 5.68 something something something, which gives you approximately about 6 meters, okay? So the key here for the law of cosines, whatever the angle is given here, this becomes that part, the c squared, okay? If it was this angle, then it would have been 14 squared, and then whatever the cosine of this angle is, okay? So the angle determines what comes out here, all right? I hope that helps. You guys have the one problem to do tonight. That was number 1 on page 643. All right, guys, have a good night.